This is your weekly I thought I was on YouTube because I'm gonna be on YouTube and on Facebook Live. This is your weekly tutorial, and this week we're gonna address your social media calendar because I know a lot of you are wondering what to post. So recently I've made a video about what type of posts that people share the most. This week it's 7 ideas for your social media calendar. It could be on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you are nourishing your audience. And I'm going to talk about organic content, which is the content that you post on your timeline, on your Facebook page, your business Facebook page. So it's going to be very basic because sometimes you need to be very simple. Who likes simple, right? So I'm going to give you 7 ideas. You organize them the way you want, and you can even use the social media calendar that I have for you that you just download for free to make sure that you actually have something where it's written and every day you don't have to wonder what to post. So I always say every Monday you could do a Monday motivation. So you probably saw that everywhere, hashtag Monday motivation. So it could be an image with a quote on it or a video that you find that is inspiring, and this would be your Monday post. So this is in the example that you're posting once a day, okay? So Monday would be inspirational. Like most people, you see that a lot on Instagram and on Facebook to get your week going the best way you can. On Tuesday, you could be actually sharing a client testimonial. So every Tuesday you would have someone, either a copy, a text with an image of your client, or a video if you interview your client, or if you ask your client to send you a video about how you changed their life. Then make it very short, maybe 30 seconds, 60 seconds, you post testimonials so that people, it gives social proof of, you know, what you offer as a business offer or as an entrepreneur, whether it's a service or an event or even a product. So that will be your Tuesday. On Wednesday, it could be, I call it, like, that's the way I do it, it's my teaching day. So whatever you are, even if you have a boutique, if you have a hair salon, if you are an online entrepreneur, if you have a daycare, whatever, take a piece of your expertise and teach about it. So if you're a hairdresser, like, what are the 7 ways, or what are 3 tips to pick the right color for your hair, or 3 tips to avoid damaging your hair when you change the color, or I don't know, taint them, like, I don't know how you say taint it, but like, use your knowledge, teach it so that you bring value to your potential clients. And it could be, again, it could be a Facebook Live. I would really push you to do 1 Facebook Live a week minimum. So maybe your Wednesday where you teach your expertise so that it helps people, whether to become your clients, or maybe you need to guide them. You know how sometimes we need to guide people before they buy something? So the Wednesday teaching could be something that helps them decide to purchase something from you. So that would be your Wednesday, and that would be your Facebook Live, for example. And then on Thursday would be probably something around behind the scene. People love when you show them something behind the scene on your business. So maybe if you have a boutique, it's your day where you receive new merchandise, so you can show the truck coming, unloading the truck, or stuffing the shelves, something. Or maybe you have a new color that came in your hair salon, or maybe you are at golf, because I'm at a golf right now. I had to stop along the road to teach you those. So something behind the scene that nobody can see except if they watch your little video, or it could be a photo, okay? That would be your Thursday. Friday, it could be about a new product, a new service, or a new event that you are organizing or getting available. So that would be your product day, your service day, where you explain one of your product, one of your services, of one of your event. And then on Saturday it could be your share day. So share day would be if you have a partner or if you have a stakeholder or someone you share the same values as a business, you could share their post. And then Sunday, you pick randomly what you want. So, and I want to add something. Across all those days, never hesitate to ask a question at the end of your video or at the end of your text, so that you get a chance to invite people to share the conversation with you. So for example, if you are showing a new product and you could ask someone, you know, what is the product you need the most for your hair right now? Like, what are you looking for? What are you trying to solve? What problem are you trying to solve with your hair? Then you could get some, you know, conversation going. And those are organic posts. But a little bonus tip is that you're gonna use the best posts of those 7 ones, and you're gonna actually promote them to your fans, to your friends of fans, to your custom audience. You know, the custom audience are people that are interacting and watching your videos on your Facebook page or Instagram accounts. And you're gonna send that to maybe more audiences that you can retarget with interest, for people interested in this or in this or in that. So that's kind of a very simple breakdown, hi Karen, of a content calendar that you could have. So I'm gonna recap. Hello. Monday motivation. And so for example, it could be about a mindset, and then at the end of this post you could ask someone, okay, what do you think about that? Like, what is your one thing to motivate you every Monday? Tuesday, we said it would be testimonial day, so testimonial of your of a client. Wednesday, we said it would be your live day, when you're Facebook Live, you're teaching something that could serve your potential clients. And then Thursday would be behind the scenes, so it could be either new merchandise arriving, it could be profiling your staff, it could be showing you, you know, cooking a special salad, I don't know, anything that could be behind the scene of your business or kind of personal. And then Friday, what did we say we do? Oh, I have a blank. We said, oh yeah, product day. So this is where you showcase one of your product, one of your service, and then there is potentially a call to action. You could tell people, okay, if you want to learn more about those services, those products, you send them a link to your website, or you ask them to send you a private message if they want to learn more. And then it could actually be as well a day where it's a giveaway day, like you profile a product, a service, and then you give away maybe a sample or something. Because people love giveaways. And then on Saturday you share someone else's post from another page, you give them a shout out, and this builds actually interactions between pages. And all of these, hopefully you use them organically first, and then 24 hours after you take the best ones and then you send them as an ad to your fans, to your friends of fans, to some custom audience, lookalike audiences, or to any audiences that you want to create around interest. I hope this helps. Don't forget to download the content calendar. I'm gonna put the links in the description or in the comments, and you're gonna have it for you. Karen, you have a question. Do you have a template of a content calendar? Yes, and I'm gonna put the link as soon as I'm done with this video so that you can download it, okay? So this note doesn't include the campaigns. So you know, when you have a campaign with a new program, like the full thing over a few weeks, so this is really your organic content that actually you transform into ads to make sure that it goes along, like a long way, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna let you go now, and I'm gonna put the link of the calendar in the description and in the comments. Ciao, ciao, I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments, I want to know.